Hello. Let's see what we have today. O'Reilly's half-ton engine stand. I'm going to put this together. Let's put this baby together. Can't have too many engine stands or engines on them. I have one other O'Reilly's engine stand. I like it. I like it because it's not red like everybody else's. Oh, I don't know if I need this or not. Hardware. Lots of damn styrofoam. That'll blow all over the countryside. Maybe the dog will eat it. It's a nice cast iron wheel. Not sure how much bubble wrap protects cast iron wheel and cast. Actually holds the engine. Four pieces. Gotta have them. Oh, these two were taped together. Let's see here. Let's put the base together. This is the rear. We got C-clips. Little handle. Okay. Oh, there's a lot going on here. Jeez. Tell it was sandblasted. It's full of blasting media. That's right. This has a hole in the bottom. It goes inside this piece. It goes on top. Let's see here. Through that. Through the tube. Actually got it. Nice trick. Don't remember the other one being that way. You want that to be tight. This is the side that holds all the weight. Let's go real tight. Got the big old. Don't have enough both sides. It's just a washer and a cotter pin. There's about a 1/4 inch there that isn't space. I figured you'd want something to go there. There. President Ranch will put a C-clip on if it has to. More buckshot falling out of it. Okay. Casters. Let's see. One side. Seems to be made pretty good. It has kind of a flat blue color. So this is my second one. I'll probably buy at least one more. So I have three. I have 3 engines in storage. One's on a stand. The other 2 need to be on stands, but Riley's only had one of these the day I was in, so I'll pick one up when they restock. Another one. There we go. Do that for the other side. One more. Go. This thing, that in there, pin, handlebar, grip on it. Drive it on with something, and I think you want them this way, that way there's more room behind the engine, between the engine and the engine stand once you get it on there. Oh, great. because I'm short one. I think I'm going to replace these with standard size nuts and bolts. This metric bologna isn't going to work.